Almansa. It's raining. Ayan ang aking Christmas tree. Ayan na siya. Guys, today is November 20. We will harvest the carrots because the earth is easy to work. It's not frozen. So we will harvest all these carrots. It's already night here. So I'm done. Finish all harvesting the carrots. One big bucket. I don't know how much kilo is this. Yeah, we can do carrot cake. So I'm cooking rice now. I'm very hungry. Then I will continue doing my Christmas. So that's my Christmas tree. Not very expensive. I will set up today. Guys, that's our Christmas tree now. Not yet done. I have a break. I will eat. So here's our carrots, guys. We will grate this one. Then we can do a carrot cake. So I have this. Grate like that. We need 3 cups of a carrot. So here's I will use this plate. I put already the margarine. Here's 3/4 cup of flour, 4 cups of baking powder, 2 cups of baking soda. Here's the desiccated coconut, pineapple, pecan, walnut, 4 eggs, 1 cup oil, 1 cup honey, and I will add some cinnamon. This one is for our cream cheese icing. And now I will start mixing all the ingredients, guys. This one no need, it's the pineapple. And of course our carrot. This is carrot cake. We will beat the eggs. Then now we're adding our honey. Yeah, our honey is there, and we will add our 1 cup oil. Then we beat that one. So I'm done beating with the electric mixer. Now we will add the flour there. We'll add the flour and mix that one. Like we're adding the flour gradually. Then we mix. So like that our butter now. Then we will add this grated carrots. We will add 3 cups of grated carrots. We mix that one. I have left like around 1/2 cup of carrots. We can do coleslaw for that tomorrow. Then now we add all the nuts, pineapple, pecan, walnut, and cinnamon powder. I will add 1/2 tablespoon of cinnamon powder. So now we're ready to transfer the butter, cake butter, to our pan. And now they are ready to put in the oven. Don't forget your oven is preheated 350 degree Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. And as you can see, it's not a lot. I use this bonded baking pan bond. We cook 1 hour, but I separate everything. We will see like 30 minutes, 45 minutes. So now our carrot cake cooked already, like the 27 minutes, 24 minutes, like that. 27, not 30 minutes. So it's beautiful. We will cool this down. We will bake. We'll do the icing. We'll put the icing tomorrow. Here I'm starting to clean my stove top. Before we do our cream cheese frosting, guys, I will cook first this marinated pork. I marinate last night. First I will cook the onion. Now here's the oil. We will add the onion. So our onion is cooked already. We will transfer that one and then we will cook the pork. So we transfer already the onion. We add oil, then we heat. And now our rice. Let's empty the water. We will reduce the heat for that. Okay. Now we will put the pork, the meat into here. Ayan. Almost cooked na ang ating meat is almost cooked. So our meat produce water. We will just reduce this one until the water evaporates. Till there's no water, just the oil, and then we will add our soy sauce. And we put our soy sauce. See, it's oil now, or only oil. So now it's ready to put our soy sauce. And then we will add the onion. Ikaw na ang winner. So it's cooked now already, and next we will proceed to our cream cheese frosting. Your butter and your cream cheese is room temperature, and we will put also vanilla essence for that. We put in there. Okay, that's cream now, and we put the butter. So now it's cream already. 1 cup of icing sugar. Then we put again there to put another half the 2 cup of sugar. So we start again. So it's look like that now. We remove from the machine. Check, it's more stiff, like you can pipe it. And we'll add vanilla. So my husband guys said that I will add more icing sugar. So here's already 3 cups. I will add another 1 cup. So ayan na, looks ready. 4 cups of icing sugar I add. So now our icing is ready. Cream cheese icing, and we will assemble our cake. Here's our plate. We'll add that one. Then we will add our cake like that. Then we put some cream, a little bit only. Then we spread that one. Okay, then we add another layer. Okay, that was. So I transferred to more bigger plate. It's better like that. It looks more beautiful cake. Did you see the pineapple chunks? Yeah, wow. Then we will add that one here. Okay. So now it's 3 layer of little cake. More icing at the top. So our bonded style pan, I'll put cream there now. I'll put cream here first before finishing this one. It says 3 cups, but actually my husband said it's 4 cups icing sugar. So see the result. So now we continue here. Now our cake, it's ready. We will put now the pecan. I will chop this pecan. So my husband guy wants to eat. I said later after I will decorate the cake. Where I will put honey on top. Yeah, on top. On top. Ay. Now my husband will eat that one with applesauce. This is our homemade applesauce. His favorite is that one there. You want the spatule at the just like that? Check how's the cake. It's good. It's moist but airy, not dry. You cut, honey?
No.
No? Why not? Hey, you want ice cream vanilla?
No.
No? How it tastes?
Yummy.
Check that. Because it's little, that we will cut this one after. That's the of our cake. It's not dry, huh?
No.
Did you try the one with the pineapple? Honey? Did you taste? Yeah, the anana, the pineapple. Well, wait. Okay. Ayan, let's eat breakfast. Toast lang. Check our cat. She's drinking also water. My Monday morning, I will arrange everything and I will eat first. Yeah. Ayan. Arrange and throw in the recycle back. Okay, now then, tapos na. Yeah. Yay. Huh? Wow. That's our Christmas tree now in the house. Thank you for watching, guys. God bless.